I want to go across now to India Today's executive editor, Preeti Chaudhary, who's been watching this election very closely and the fallout. Preeti, we've been reporting on what the Supreme Court has said, right from the beginning to now, scathing, unsparing words for the process, for Anil Masi. We don't know yet if an investigation is going to be ordered, but first takes, Preeti, on what the impact of what the Supreme Court has said is likely to be now.
Well, the impact of what the Supreme Court has said, Shiv, immediate impact is that you're going to see a press conference by the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, strangely, because what's happened is in Chandigarh, now it is for the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress, they will go to town by saying that this is a mandate that has been restored. It was stolen and now it has been restored. What it will do, in a way, it could be the first push that a sputtering India alliance that hasn't been able to come together on seat sharing. It might be that push for that India alliance, Shiv. And why I say that is because this is now the first test for the India alliance, the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party. Mind you, this is a win as much for the Congress as it is for the Aam Aadmi Party, because Kuldeep Kumar was a joint candidate. He might come from the Aam Aadmi Party, but this was the first election. It might be a mayor election, but the first election that the India alliance fought together. And this could prove to be an impetus in maybe coming together on seat sharing talks, as small as this is. You can trust the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party to go very big on it. What it's also done, Shiv, is that this evening the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress committee is meeting after over a month and a half to take forward seat-sharing talks for Delhi, the 7 seats in Delhi. Will there be a possible reaction in other states that have been witnessing, a trust deficit on seat-sharing? Because this will be now not just a moral victory, but also a victory that this alliance needed desperately to show to people that if we can come together, we can actually make it. Because if the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress had fought this election, independently, it was rest assured that the mayor would have been the BJP. So this is a small example they're going to take across. You will expect a scathing press conference from the, from Arvind Kejriwal in just a short while from now. But all in all, Shiv, it's a huge morale booster for the India alliance, as well as, many would suggest a win for democracy.
And, after weeks of, of troubling news for the India alliance, like Preeti says, could this be a balm to many of the other afflictions, seat-sharing talks in other states? Could those suddenly now get solace from this morale booster that the Supreme Court has offered? Preeti, thanks for putting that into perspective.